click on the Git download link. Follow the click here to download manually link. Wait for the download. Click on open file. The installer starts. Click on next. Default's okay, click next. Click yes. Default's okay. Click next. Click next. 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 Finally, click install. Wait for the install to complete. Click finish. Now configure Git to download and upload source code to GitHub. Click on Windows key or icon. Type Git. Select Git bash. From C, copy from Git all the way to username. Control C to copy, or right click and copy. Right click and paste. Replace GitHub username with your GitHub username. In my case, R. Gonzalez ACC. Press enter. From D, select from Git to user.email. Right click, copy. Right click, paste. Type your GitHub registration email. Press enter. Configuration complete.